back to my channel. My name is Deanna Monet. If this is your first time here, then welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So you guys know I have been on a roll with these sensational instant up and down styles. Today I do have another one for you. But first, this is a collab with my fellow wig bae, K Lijor. If you are unfamiliar with Kay's channel, she does mainly wig reviews with a splash of makeup. She is a fellow DMV sis on the YT, so we have that in common. And this is random, but she just has a really nice voice. Like, her voice, I feel like, should be on the radio or on a podcast or something. It's very, like, soothing.
Alright guys, it's your girl Kay, and I'm back with another headband wig. Today we are going to get right into it. Y'all know I don't like to waste no time.
And what I like about her channel is that she's really not afraid to try different styles, different colors, or different makeup looks. She will step outside the box. So be sure after you watch my video, you head on over to Kay's channel to check out her fall slay. We are both doing fall looks today, so head on over there to see how hers turned out. So back to today's video, I do have Sensational Instant Up Down 6 in the color T2 Burgundy. And this unit was sent over from SAMSBEAUTY, so special thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. Now my hair is already partially prepped underneath here from my last up down style I did. I think it's looking a little crazy, but we're gonna get it together. And sometimes I have people tell me, like, you make these half up downs look so easy. I struggle when I do them. So I'm going to really slow down and show you step by step how you can put it on really easily and my little tips and tricks. The ponytail can be a little tricky to put on sometimes. So what I'll do is I'll pin up all the hair from the ponytail. And then I will just like clip it up here somewhere. So now it's out of my way so I can just focus on wrapping this other piece around. So you slide that back, you have your piece here. You hold your little ponytail in place and then you can kind of wrap it very easily. Y'all see? So much easier than wrapping it when all of that hair is down in your way. I'll wrap it one more time. Now, because I want the front to have a dark root, so I will just bobby pin it in the back wherever I stop wrapping. I think it's easier to put the ponytail on first. That's crazy. I have done like 4 of these up down styles and I always put this on first. But the way I did it today was definitely the easiest way to ever do it. Ever. Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So I am finished styling this half up half down unit and this is the end result. I think that this one is so cute. I forgot what number this one was. Okay, so this is UD6 right here. UD6. She is long, she is curly, she is bouncy, she is full of life. Okay, I showed you earlier how long she was when I was like brushing her out, but once again, yep. So that's where she is stopping on me. And of course, I really do love this color. And I think that these big juicy curls in her are cute. So I want you to go ahead and tell me which one is your favorite, because this is my 4th up down unit I have tried. Honestly, this is probably my last one. But I really love these instant up downs and I've tried 4 of them. The texture on this unit is silky. She has a very nice density to her. She is very full. This unit is not lacking any hair at all. I think it is very cute, and I really do like the thickness of her. Also, I'm not really getting much shedding or tangling from this unit at all. You saw me brushing it out, and it was pretty... I'm sorry, my brother-in-law is here, and my husband is out there, and they're playing video games. Yeah, they also took my chair that I used to record in, so I'm in the black chair today. They took my little stool, but anyway. You saw me brushing it out, and my brush was just like gliding through. So shedding and tangling was pretty good. All in all, I love this unit. This is a 10 for me. I do not have any complaints about her. I want to know what you think about her, so please drop me a comment down below to let me know your thoughts. Once again, thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me this unit to review. I absolutely love it. So the link, if you're interested in purchasing, will be in the description box below. And don't forget to head on over to K Lijor's channel to check out her fall look. Her information will be in the description box below. I thank you so much for watching this video, for rocking with my channel and supporting me. And I will catch you later.